Wake up, sleepyhead.
Oh, Fatima, I had the craziest dream. I was shot in the face and I went to hell. Wait a minute. You're not Fatima?
Surprise!
Rebecca Black? No!
7 a.m. waking up and you're in hell. Wanna get away but you can't cause you're stuck here. Hey, what's the matter? Don't you like my singing?
No!
Here come your friends. Hitler in the front seat, Sodom in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday, frying hell on Friday.
No!
And it's never gonna be the weekend, weekend. Suffering, suffering,
No!
suffering, suffering.
No!
Fun, 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 fun. Friday will never end.